So friends, in this series of Power Query in Excel, we will find a date difference. How to find out date difference in your Power, like using the Power Query function. Suppose like we have here order date and delivery date, and if we want to find out what is the time, like what is the how many days we are able to deliver the product. So companies prefer those time where we have delivered as early as possible. So this is the main target for company, because they want to keep their customers happy and giving them product on time. So we have a different order date and delivery date here, and to find out how many days it has taken for an order to be delivered to his customer. So for that, like if we will do it in Excel, it's easy. We just have to minus this from this, like we have to take this and minus the order date. But how, like if we want to use it in Power Query, how we can do that? For that we will go to order date, and then I will go to the date here, and after going to the date I will convert it into table, from table. So it will select this, like this order date and delivery date, and my table as a header, because we already have a header here. Then I will press OK. Now Power Query editor will open, and in this Power Query editor we have a date, but we have a to date which even having a time here. So what I will do, I will select this both date, then I will press enter, right arrow key from my keyboard, from my mouse, and then change type. I will go to the date. So this is one of the function we can, and replace current. So now we have a date function here where we have delivery date and order date. So what we need to find out, we need to find out number of days the order is delivered. So first of all we have to take the delivery date here, then press click from our keyboard, and then I will press keyboard, and then I will click on order also. So we have selected first delivery date and then order date. Then I will go to add column and go to date and subtract days. So now we can find out, and here I will like time of delivery, from order. I just put it there. So this is our time of delivery from order date. So this is the, some take 10, some take 7, some take 4, and some even take 1. So now we can go to the home tab and close and load. So it will open up in a new window. So the benefit of that is, like whatever changes we make here, so like here we have a table here, and like we have, this is our final, like what we will, so whatever change we will make in date difference here, it will go down and change it to 16, somewhere around 16/1. I will take a date here 2020, and here I will take 21/1/2020. So whatever changes we will make here, and if we will do a refresh here, so that will be automatically added. So this is the benefit of Power Query. So whatever order number we are putting here, and delivery time, delivery date we are putting here, according to it, that will make changes to our Power Query formatted table, which is green in color, and we can find the result here. So that's all from this video now.